Hey guys, Lucas here. I have clients who are keen to invest in private properties and they ask me whether should they continue waiting for the prices to drop or they can invest now. So just a disclaimer first, I'm not a prophet, I'm just a prop guy. And when it comes to buying property, many of us try to time the market. We wait for the prices to bottom out and then we buy in when the units are cheap. So even though this makes sense, there's just one issue doing this right. We never really know what the bottom is until it happens. And by then we will have missed it. Generally, rather than worry about whether the overall market has hit the bottom or not, we can focus on whether a specific property is a good buy for you. Because you can find the units that's cheap even when the market prices are at the peak. And you can also end up buying a property that's too expensive even when the market is down. Remember, you're not buying the market, you're buying the property itself. So if after some research and analysis, you find that there's no units that make sense for you, then there's no need to buy. Likewise, if you found a property that you like, that is within your budget and is a value buy, you can seriously consider going for it. And the plus point to invest right now is that the residential loan interest rates are the lowest since 2015. Right now it's even down to 1.25%. This is really important as it lowers your risk and overall cost of investment, which many new investors forget. There are also many factors other than the location and overall market pricing for a successful property investment, like your investment strategy, the right property seed, your entry price, your exit price, your eligibility to leverage on the loan, current rental yield, and more. So I hope this video helps you focus on the right places and factors. Thank you for watching.